Hello guys, today we learn how to prepare a wood panel for oil painting. So in this video we use a primer, hardboard and a flat brush with kerosene. You can use gesso also. So if you want to paint a painting in horizontal direction, then apply primer it horizontally, and if you want vertically, then apply it vertically. So take a flat brush and apply primer slowly. Apply a thick layer to create smooth texture. Remember, if you are using primer, then it is only used for oil painting, and if you are using gesso, then it is used for all purpose color medium like acrylic colors. If you are using gesso, then first mix it with water and then apply it. And if you are confused to make a painting horizontal or vertical, then you can apply first layer horizontally and second layer vertically. Apply a thick layer to get good texture of hardboard. Wait for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we have to apply again a thick layer of primer to get smooth texture. When it's dry, it is ready for painting. From this hardboard, I created an oil paintings.